These guys are looking a little bit wet. This morning's rain, I think they're going to get to spend the night in the calving barn. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's a rainy morning and it's supposed to turn to snow in the next few hours. You can see it rained most of the night. Well, the storm winds up for what looks like it's going to be maybe 8 more inches of snow. I'm going to go in and install that part in the tractor. There's the new replacement part, and boy, that came from C&H quickly. Let's get to work. We'll get the back of this tractor taken apart again and get this arm installed. The bar is in. The last piece that goes in place is this little connector link. 3-point hitch. Up and down. Boy, it really moves a lot smoother than it did. Funny how a little bit of grease can make a huge difference. I'm thinking that was the problem. Just excess stress on that joint. All right, well, now we're ready for the snowblower in case we need the snowblower. Well, the morning rain has definitely turned around here, as you can see. Snow is falling pretty hard and the wind is blowing. So we're going to look in on the cows. I think maybe they're going to have to be brought in tonight. This morning's rain coupled with now the warm temperatures and this afternoon's snow, they're huddled up here out of that west wind, even though they've got the windbreak out there. Hey you guys. Hey you guys. Come on, everybody in. Up here in the top part of the barn, throwing down some square bales that they'll eat tonight and tomorrow morning while the storm is raging. These bales were actually made 2 years ago, but they're really high quality, and we're just surplus, and we put up a little more than we needed, and was put up here as horse hay, and now it becomes cow hay. Evidence of superior planning. You could tell she has an ag degree while I'm carrying one bale at a time. She's positively mechanized with the ice fishing sled. Still doing things the hard way. All right, prediction time. Who's first calving?
I don't know. I haven't seen everybody's butt yet.
This time of year, checking the cows is really critically important to see who might be close to calving. So the tall red one calved early last year.
5 days.
So if she calved 5 days early this year,
Better not.
that puts her 2 weeks out.
I would put her on April 1st. Or April, she calved on April 7th last year.
Okay. So almost 3 weeks out.
Yeah, I think everybody looks good yet. She's starting to bag up over there, but she's nothing.
Probably all going to spend the night in there and be nice and warm and dry while it continues to snow. Well, the good news is this morning the snowfall was a little bit less than forecast. It looks like only 5 or 6 inches, although the wind is really kicking it around out here. We've got big drifts. So we're going to get this first round of snow plowed. We're supposed to get 2 or 3 more inches later today and tonight. So we'll get the driveway and the yard cleared off now. You can see the little windmill is spinning around, but if you look on top of the barn up there, you see the wind vane pointed out of the northwest. We're kind of out of the wind here, but you can get a sense of how much snow came down overnight. So, as has been so often this winter the case, it's another 2-tractor snow plowing day. What I'm probably going to do is wait till the wind dies down, maybe till tomorrow. It'll still be cold enough tomorrow that I can put the snowblower on. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn you here so you can see what I'm talking about, is I'm going to blow back these big snow piles out into the hayfield so that I can give myself more space, because it's March and there's still plenty of snowfall left in a typical year. But also because this is going to start to melt soon, and some of these higher drifts, especially over my left shoulder here along the building, and back along here on the house side of the driveway, these big drifts are gonna just make a driveway mess when they start melting. So what I'm hoping to do, again hopefully tomorrow, is get back in here with a snowblower and knock these big tall banks out to the south, just down slope into the hayfield. That snowblower will blow right over top of these trees, and I'll be able to move a lot of this snow out of here for just the cost of a little bit of fuel and a little bit of time. So that's a weekend project. For now, today, we're going to get these banks knocked, or these drifts taken out of here, so we can get in and out of the driveway. And I think the way the drifting is going on here, I think a lot of our work's gonna be covered up tonight and tomorrow. But at least the bulk of the snow will be pushed back, and we can come in with the loaders and clean up the couple inches that'll fall tonight. There, the snow is plowed and the cows have round bales. You can see, despite the cold, they've come out and decided they'd rather have fresh round bale hay than the nice square bales we have in the barn. We'll probably leave them in the barn tonight because it's really cold right now, and still really windy. Windy through the night, and still 3 more inches of snow expected. But as the week ahead comes, it's going to warm up. So hopefully we'll get some serious melting. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon. And then this hay pile is the current hay put up last year, horse hay, and we won't go through all of this this year. So this will end up being surplus for emergencies next winter. And then we've still got a little bit of straw back here. We'll bed with some of this now in calving season.